Hello everyone, you are joining with All in Maths. Today you are going to learn the area of a trapezium and the applications of it. Join with me. Okay, what is a trapezium? So how do you identify a trapezium? Yes, it is a quadrilateral, a four-sided polygon. What is the basic property of a trapezium? It has one pair of parallel sides. It has one pair of parallel sides. If there are two pairs of parallel sides, it comes to a parallelogram. Okay, so I have drawn three trapeziums at first for you to understand basically what is a trapezium. So here also you can see that there is one pair of parallel sides. Here also one pair of parallel sides, and it is also having a perpendicular height or a right angle here. As there are parallel lines here, you know that interior angles add up to 180. If one is 90, the other side is also 90 degrees. This is also the same. I have drawn it in this manner. In your questions also, they might rotate and give the figure. Although they rotate, you should understand by looking at the figure, the diagram, that it is a trapezium, because any other conditions are not satisfied here, just like in parallelograms, rhombus, square, rectangle, they have special properties. But here you can see only one pair of parallel sides. So it is a trapezium. So we are going to learn the area of a trapezium. So if I take this perpendicular height as h and the two parallel sides as a and b, the area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of two parallel lines into height. Although you did not write this, it doesn't matter, because brackets is anyway multiplication. So half into sum of two parallel lines into the perpendicular height. This is the formula for a trapezium area. A and B are the parallel sides. Okay. Sometimes they will give the other sides also to confuse you, but you have to recognize the two parallel sides and apply those values. Let us see some example questions. The first example, you have to find the area of the first and second questions. So the area formula is half into a plus b into height. Half into a plus b into height. So area is equal to half into a plus b. What is a? 5 centimeters. What is b? 15 centimeters. So you can write 5 plus 15 centimeters into height is 7. Perpendicular height. Now as I told you, if they give here as 9.5 centimeters or any value, you should not use it, because we have to use the perpendicular height only. And this one, half times 15 plus 5 is 20 times 7, so you can cut this. 2 times 1, 2 times 10, 70 square centimeters. Is that clear to you? First we wrote the formula and we substituted values and we calculate. So we have to maintain the equal sign in the same column. So it is an organized answer. Let's see the second question. Now you can see that there's a line here. It is a side of the trapezium itself. Now here you can see the perpendicular height is given separately. It is not a side of the trapezium, but here the perpendicular height is the side of the trapezium. That is also a place where the students get confused. They think that the perpendicular height is not given, but actually since there is a right angle here which is forming with the base, this side becomes the perpendicular height. Therefore, you can directly use that as the perpendicular height of the trapezium. So let us find the area. Half into a plus b into h. Substitution, half into a is 7.8 plus 2.5 times h is 9. Find the answer and give me the answer for 1 dp, 1 decimal place. Use your scientific calculators and find the answer. Yes, what is the answer? For 2 decimal places it is 46.35. For 2 decimal places it is 46.35. So when you want to round off to 1 decimal place, it becomes 46.4. Okay. I wrote for 2 decimal places to show that it is rounding off to 46.4. Okay. Question number 3. Find the height of the trapezium below. Area is already given. Now in the previous two questions, all the data was there and we found the area. Now the area is given and we have to find out the height of the trapezium. So that is also simple. We can write down the formula as usual. Half into a plus b into h, and then area is equal to half into, what is the area? 93. We can directly apply 93 in the area. Letter. Half into a plus b, 13 plus 18. 13 plus 18. This is the parallel side, this is the parallel side. We have no any hard and fast rule to apply the first line first and the second line second. So here I showed you very specially 7.8 I have taken at first and 2.5 I have taken in the second place. So in the same manner we can apply these two at any place of this. Okay, and the height is unknown. Then I'll be taking this half to the other side. Division becomes multiplication. 2 is a division. Division becomes multiplication. As 1 is not changing anything. Now you can put 2 over 1 also. But 1 doesn't change any figure. Therefore I can take only 2. And then here 13 plus 18. What is the answer? 31. 31h. So h is equal to 93 into 2 dv 31. So h is equal to 6 centimeters, because here you can cut times 31 times 1, 31 times 3, 3 times 2, 6. Okay, h is 6 centimeters. So this is a place where they have given the area and you have to find out the h using that particular area. So what we have to do is, in the same manner, we write the formula and substitute and subject the unknown. In the question number 4, they have given the area. Find AB if the area is 85.8. So now ABCD trapezium is here. One parallel side is 12 centimeters and the perpendicular height is 7.8. We have to find the side AB, which is a parallel side. So in the same manner we write the area formula. What is the area formula now? Without looking at the board you can tell. Yes, half into sum of two parallel lines into height. Very good. So area is equal to half. Half is half. What is the area? Okay, we can apply substitute in the second line itself. 85.8. Then here comes half into A is unknown, which is AB. So we can write A as it is unknown. B is 12 centimeters. Height is 7.8. Okay, and then now I want to subject A. So what I have to do is I can take this 2 to the opposite side as multiplication. 85 point, I'll take to the next line. 85.8 times 2. 2 goes up. This is 2 is a division. Divi becomes multi. So A plus 12 and 7.8 is here. 7.8 is a multiplication. So multiplication becomes division in the opposite side. So multi becomes divi. Okay, remember as that. Into 2, divi 7.8 is equal A plus 12. So to subject A, I have to take 12 also to this side. So A I am keeping as the subject. This full term 85.8 times 2 over 7.8, this full term minus 12 is equal A. What is the answer? Find the answer and let me know. Use your scientific calculator with brackets, right? With brackets, and first simplify this part and subtract 12 to get the answer. Give me the answer to the nearest whole number. Is it 10 centimeters? Okay. The answer is 10. Because this one simplification is 22. When you subtract 12, it is 10. Alright. Now you have learned what is a trapezium, the formula of the trapezium, finding the area using the area formula of the trapezium, finding a height, finding the perpendicular height of any trapezium, and finding a parallel side using the area formula. So area formula and application you have understood. So let us meet next day with another lesson. Have a great day.